Welcome to House Lux Estate, where we unravel the mysteries of real estate and personal finance. We're here to simplify complex concepts, and today we've got a fascinating topic to discuss, one that might sound a bit counterintuitive at first. We're talking about generating income using debt. Yes, you heard that right. While debt often carries a negative connotation, it's not always the villain it's made out to be. In fact, when used strategically, debt can become a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. We'll be exploring this concept, shedding light on how savvy investors and entrepreneurs utilize debt to fuel their financial growth. It's a journey that promises to be as enlightening as it is intriguing. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something in this for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the steps of generating income using debt. Remember, knowledge is power. Before we dive into the process, let's understand what debt really is. Debt, in its simplest form, is money borrowed by one party from another. In the world of finance, debt is typically referred to as either good or bad, and understanding the difference between the two is crucial. Bad debt is often associated with purchases that lose value over time. For instance, using a credit card to buy the latest smartphone or taking out a loan for a luxury vacation. These are considered bad debts because they don't generate income or increase in value. They only leave you with less money in the long run. On the flip side, we have good debt. This is the kind of debt that can help generate income or increase your net worth. It's like a seed planted today for a more prosperous tomorrow. Think of it as an investment, where the return is expected to exceed the cost of the debt. Taking a loan to buy a rental property or to start a business are prime examples of good debt. These ventures can generate a steady stream of income that not only covers the debt repayments, but also leaves you with a surplus. But remember, even good debt comes with its own set of risks. The key is to borrow wisely, ensuring that the debt is affordable and manageable. This means having a solid plan for repayment and a clear understanding of the potential return on investment. In essence, good debt can be a powerful tool for wealth creation if used correctly. It's like a lever that can lift you up, providing you with the means to achieve financial goals that might be out of reach otherwise. But like any tool, it must be used with caution and understanding. Now that we have a basic understanding of debt, let's explore how to utilize it to generate income. One of the most common ways to generate income using debt is through investing. This concept might seem counterintuitive at first, but when you understand the mechanics, it becomes an intriguing financial strategy. Let's say you decide to borrow money for investment purposes. This could be in assets or businesses that have the potential to generate an income, thereby not only covering your debt repayments, but also providing you with a profit. Consider real estate investments, for instance. You could take out a mortgage to purchase a property. This property can then be rented out, and the rental income could be used to cover your mortgage payments. In the end, you own a valuable asset that you didn't have to pay for outright. The rent collected over time, minus the mortgage payments, is your profit. Or perhaps you're more inclined towards entrepreneurship. You might borrow money to start a business. The funds can be used for inventory, marketing, or other startup expenses. As your business grows and you begin to make sales, you use the profits to repay the loan. Once the debt is paid off, the profits become your income. Investing in the stock market is another avenue to explore. You might opt for margin trading, which involves borrowing money from a brokerage to purchase stocks. If the stocks increase in value, you can sell them at a profit. The profit, after repaying the borrowed money and interest, is your income. These are just a few examples of how debt can be used strategically to generate income. It's not about recklessly borrowing money, but rather making calculated decisions about where and how to invest that borrowed capital. However, it's crucial to remember that while this strategy can be profitable, it's not without its risks. The investments you make might not yield the returns you expect, and you could end up with a debt that you struggle to repay. Investing using borrowed capital can be profitable, but it also comes with risks. Let's discuss those next. While using debt for generating income can be profitable, it also comes with its own set of risks. Now let's not sugarcoat this, ladies and gentlemen. Every investment strategy, including using debt to generate income, has its own set of risks. The key is not to avoid risk, but to understand and manage it. The most obvious risk is the possibility of losing money on your investments. Imagine borrowing money at a 5% interest rate and investing it in a venture that only returns 3%. You're in the red. You've lost money. And what's more, you're still on the hook for that debt. Another risk is defaulting on your debt repayments. This can happen if your investment doesn't pan out as expected or if there's an unexpected change in your financial situation. Defaulting on your debt has serious consequences. It can ruin your credit score, making it harder and more expensive for you to borrow money in the future. So, how can we mitigate these risks? First, by diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your borrowed money across different types of investments. This way, if one investment fails, others may still succeed, helping you cover the loss and the debt. Secondly, always have a solid repayment plan. Borrow only what you can afford to repay, even if your investments don't give the returns you're hoping for. This often means having a stable source of income outside of your investments. Lastly, keep a close eye on your investments. Monitor their performance regularly. If something's not working, don't hesitate to cut your losses and get out. Dealing with risk is part of the game when it comes to generating income using debt. It's not about avoiding risk, but managing it. Remember, the goal is not to win every time, but to come out ahead over the long run. Knowing the risks and how to mitigate them is crucial in successfully generating income using debt. It's not just about making smart investments, but also about making smart decisions when things don't go as planned. And that's what separates the successful investors from the rest. Now that we understand the concept and the risks, let's discuss practical steps to start generating income using debt. Step 1. Start by researching investment opportunities. This can be anything from real estate to stocks, bonds, or even starting your own business. The key here is to find something that not only interests you, but also has the potential for high returns. Spend time analyzing market trends, studying successful investors, and understanding the ins and outs of your chosen investment avenue. Knowledge, after all, is power. Step 2. Create a comprehensive financial plan. This involves setting clear, measurable, and realistic financial goals. How much income do you want to generate? Over what period? What amount of debt are you comfortable taking on? Your plan also needs to cover your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, savings, and debts. A well-structured financial plan will serve as your roadmap, guiding you towards your financial objectives. Step 3. Understand your risk tolerance. Every investment comes with some level of risk. It's important to assess your own tolerance for risk and ensure it aligns with your investment choices. Are you someone who can sleep soundly at night knowing your investments may fluctuate? Or are you more conservative, preferring stable, lower-risk investments? Knowing where you stand will help you make informed decisions. Step 4. Seek professional advice. While it's possible to navigate the world of investing on your own, getting advice from a financial advisor can be incredibly beneficial. They can provide insights, help you avoid common pitfalls, and give you the confidence to move forward with your plans. And finally, Step 5. Execute your plan. Once you've done your homework, set your goals, understood your risk tolerance, and sought professional advice, it's time to put your plan into action. Start small, learn from your experiences, and gradually scale up as you become more comfortable. With these steps, you are well on your way to generating income using debt. To recap, generating income using debt is a powerful wealth creation tool when used wisely. We've delved into the intricacies of understanding debt, highlighting its potential as a lever to amplify your investments. We've explored how to wield this tool, using debt to invest in ventures that yield returns greater than the interest on the borrowed money. We also discussed the risks involved and the importance of implementing mitigation strategies. Remember, it's essential to have a clear exit strategy and a plan to manage potential downturns. Furthermore, we discussed practical steps to start. Whether it's investing in real estate, starting a business, or buying stocks, the key is to start small, learn, and gradually scale up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights on real estate and personal finance. Remember, your financial future is in your hands.